Hey there, wonderful community of bloggers, businessmen, and ambitious entrepreneurs. If hosting your dream website on Hostinger is on your mind, you're in the right place. This video is designed to make the entire process smoother, smarter, and more affordable for you. Today I am happy to present two excellent ways to save on your Hostinger hosting purchase. My personal referral discount offers a straight 20% off on every single hosting plan and service available. Alternatively, you can use the coupon code DRAL10 for a 10% discount. While both are helpful, the 20% referral saving is undoubtedly the more rewarding choice for most people. This calming and informative guide will show you step by step how to easily claim that generous 20% Hostinger discount. You'll find my referral links neatly organized in the description box, listed according to different countries with their local language and currency for your convenience. Just pick your country, tap the link, and you'll land directly on the official Hostinger site. On the homepage, simply click Products and Services from the top navigation menu. Here you'll discover an impressive lineup of hosting options tailored to suit every type of project. The best part, my 20% discount is valid across the entire collection. For this walkthrough, I'm selecting the web hosting category and proceeding with the powerful business web hosting plan, an inspiring choice for anyone serious about building a strong online presence. As you move to the checkout, you'll feel a sense of joy seeing the 20% discount automatically applied to your order. It's quick, seamless, and truly useful for saving money while getting premium quality hosting. Quick reminder for the discount to work perfectly. Please create your account using a brand new email address that you've never used with Hostinger before. I hope this video brought you valuable information in an enjoyable and heartwarming way. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss future practical and inspiring tips. Thank you for being here. Go ahead and launch that amazing website of yours with confidence.